So I came down Mayaro for a couple days to do some work and actually got in kind of early today, still light out. And luckily enough, I brought my drone with me just in case, I was able to get some shots in or some flights in before the place got too dark. So just gonna put it up and yeah, see what it looks like before the sun sets. That's it.